Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Lydia Marie, and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm coming back with a quick skincare review of some products that I was gifted from fellow blogger Hey Aprill from heyaprill.com. And today we're talking about PCA Skin, the Pigment Perfector Kit, with all 5 of these products that I have been using for the last 10 to 12, I'm gonna say 12 days since I started using this. It'll be 12 days tomorrow. So right about the 2-week mark of when I started using these products. And I wanna tell you how my skin is acting, how it is bouncing and behaving, how it is glowing, and what these products have done for my skin in these last few days. So if you want to see more and hear my thoughts on these products, I hope that you will keep watching. Guys, as I stated, I have been using these PCA products for about 12 days. I want to say 12 days. I'm going to look at my calendar. I'll leave it down below. But you know, I like to give products at least 2 weeks to work on my skin to make sure I don't have any reactions, to see how my skin is reacting to it and everything like that. And actually, I'm looking at this and it was September 28th. So that's almost 3 weeks. That's over 14 days of when I shot the first video of me using these products. But let me tell y'all something about these products, okay? This is called the Pigment Perfecting product. It came with 5 items. One of them was a facial wash. Then we have a brightening serum with vitamin B. Then we have a brightening treatment, and I'm reading from the card here, and this is a C&E, vitamin C and E treatment, and this is used to strengthen, smooth, and protect. It has 20% of vitamin C in it, excuse me. And we all know that vitamin C is good for the brightening of the skin and things like that. We have a broad spectrum SPF or sunscreen, and it is SPF 45, which is nice and high. We all know we need that good sunscreen. And we have a nighttime retinol and intensive brightening treatment here, which I've incorporated into my nighttime routine. Amazing. Now, for these products here, the first time I used the facial wash, I had a little bit of a patch right here. Nothing significant. I took the facial wash away for like a day and a half. The patch went away. But again, that's why I don't come back with quick reviews for skincare, because I want my skin to have time to adjust. Since I've been using this in the daytime, I've had no more issues right here. It's nice and mild. I have somewhat sensitive skin, but mostly it's sensitive around here. So when I got the patch here, I knew it was something new that I was using. But again, after a couple of days of using it, it went away. My skin adjusted. It's totally fine. I have to say that my favorite product in this line has got to be the vitamin B. I have never used vitamin B3 in my skincare routine, but this is a brightening serum, and honestly, it does brighten your, it gives you a nice bright appeal to your skin. The one thing overall that I really liked about these products is once I started using it, after about a week or so, I noticed that my skin looked not just clear, right? Not just clear, no blemishes or, very light blemishes and things like that, but my skin started to look healthy. Like it actually looked healthy. It looked healthy enough for me to post a photo in the skincare group I'm in on Facebook with no makeup or anything. And I'm just sitting in the car and I was like, dang, what's up with my skin? And it just looked super healthy. It had been so long since I had seen my skin look that way. And I was like, man, like, wow. So these products do, as Aprill says in her description, not just make it look clear, but it also, this line, PCA, also promotes healthy skin. And honestly, as I've been using it, I can say that part is true. My skin looks healthy, and even when I try to camouflage, when I used to have to camouflage so much with the hyperpigmentation, I don't have to do that so much anymore. I will post the beside video up here so you can kind of see how my hyperpigmentation is lightening up, that I can notice. I pay as close attention to my skin, and I make sure that I'm taking any notes of what's reacting or anything like that. And I can honestly say that using these products, I have seen a difference in the lightness. As you can see, my acne scars that I would have down here is fading. hyperpigmentation. It's not as dark, and I have on a little bit of blush, but I left this uncovered so you could actually see, you know, how it is reacting to the hyperpigmentation. So far, honestly, it's really been a really good product, a use of products for all of these serums and the retinol. Now, the retinol product here is for the nighttime. It's a small squeeze tube, and I really didn't use a lot, and it was recommended that I use it with a little bit of oil. So I would dab this on here, and here, and then use a little either of almond oil, rosehip oil, and just massage it in. And I'm using that like 3 times a week. And also these 2 treatments right here, the vitamin C and the vitamin B, I use these in the morning with the serum, and I've really been just, once I put it on and let it sit for a minute and then add the SPF on, I'm just like, what the heck is going on with this? This is like amazing for my skin. But yeah, I mean, these brightening serums, it claims that it's going to brighten your skin, help fade the dark marks, and honestly, for my use of that, it has done just that. I'm excited to see what else I can do. I definitely want to re-up on this here serum. I really like this a lot. Definitely want to keep adding the retinol in my nighttime treatment. That's something I had never added or considered, but with mature skin, with my skin being dry combination, have a little fine lines here, definitely with the brightening, I want to keep the retinol in my skincare routine. So overall, I would definitely recommend these products on here. I will link it down below. I believe the whole kit is retailing for $54, but again, I'll make sure to link it down below. And y'all know I ain't got my glasses on, so trying to read the print. But I'm gonna say, yes, it is $54 for the kit. So I'll make sure to leave it down below so you can check out Aprill's page on PCA Skin, and you can check out her blog as well for more information on these products. Overall, I would definitely recommend it if you are having issues with your hyperpigmentation, with dark spots, with just trying to get your skin to be a little more bright, a little more healthy. This product actually delivered on what it said it did, and for that, I truly appreciate that. I always love when I have the reactions that I'm expecting from a product, and then it exceeds my reaction or my expectations, I should say, because my skin is just looking, to me, so nice and so healthy. It's just amazing. So if you guys would like to purchase this, like I said, I will leave the link down below. Make sure to link Aprill's information down below. This information is also on my blog, so make sure you go and check it out. And yeah, here's to happy and healthy skin on the road to 45, and my skin is looking nice and healthy and glowy, and it just looks like me. It's like, you know, what more could you ask for? So definitely get into this PCA Skin. I will leave everything down below. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'll be back with more skincare reviews very soon. I have something new coming in the mail, if not this week, next week. So you know, in about another 2 or 3 weeks, I'll come back with another skincare review once I've used those products. But again, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'm talking so fast. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I will see you very soon.